Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1500 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase, very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Unit has a remote board there on the right hand side that you can wire up to a PLC to control it that way. Otherwise the unit will come with a brand new remote. Very nice conditioned unit. And because the remote is not here, we will start it this way. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com.